Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and another painting tutorial. Today I'm painting a house sparrow. I've actually drawn and painted 3 birds on my canvas, but I will show each bird painting process individually in a separate video. Otherwise my video would be too long. My paint colours I'm using for the sparrow bird are black, grey, burnt umber, raw sienna, unbleached titanium and titanium white. Brushes I'm using today: small round brush, a small filbert brush and a fine liner brush. I'm starting with the base colours for the shadow and the light areas. I mix dark grey and black shades to paint the base colours on the bird's head and also the dark chest area. Then I add a mix of light grey and unbleached titanium to paint the lighter areas. I also paint the neck stripe in white. Using a mix of unbleached titanium and burnt umber, I lightly paint in the legs and feet with my fine liner brush. I also paint the wings in burnt umber for the base colour. When all the base colours are done, I start to paint in the feather shapes using my small round brush and my small filbert brush. To get the look of feathers, I lightly dab with the tip of my brush in the direction that the feathers lay on the bird. To enhance the feather look, I add lighter and darker shades with the tip of my brush, always going in the same direction as the feathers, as this creates the appearance of the feathers overlapping. When painting shorter feathers, make short strokes with the tip of the brush, and for longer feathers, make longer brush strokes. We paint in the beak with a mix of dark grey, varying the shade on the beak. I also paint in more feather details on the bird's chest, and I add shadows to the base of the tail. I finally go over the bird's painting, adding more feather details with the tip of my brush in lighter or darker shades to enhance the feathers, and this also creates shadows and depth in the painting. I've also added details to the eye, and I add a small white highlight to the eye. With burnt umber and a touch of black, I also paint darker lines along the tail feathers and also along the ends of the wing tips. I just add a few more feather details. Okay, I've now finished my sparrow painting. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Because my bird painting was small, I've tried to zoom in during my painting process to help you see the brush strokes. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with my next painting video. Take care. Bye for now.